Okay, so ready na kami magluluto ngayon ng ginataan ng papaya with shrimp. Ito mga ingredients niya. Mayroon tayong tomato, garlic, onion, at saka the last thing na ilalagay natin yung aroma niya, yung isang dahon ng malunggay. Kinataan ito, okay? So ginataan na papaya with malunggay, saka shrimp, at saka itong crab. Okay? So, okay, you guys watch. So, nandito ang presentation ko na si Vilma. Natuturoan ko siyang magluto, guys. Okay, first, lagay mo muna yan. Lagay mo na siya ng bawang. Brown, magsalita ka rin. Pag-brownin muna natin.
Brown natin yung bawang. And then, sunod natin yung sibuyas. Pag-brown mo siya.
Okay, I forgot. Needs to add some a little bit of butter. Okay, margarine na konti para ito ang texture na malinamnam yung i-decide natin. Basta mo ng konti yung apoy niya. Sibuyas.
Kailan natin yung sibuyas.
Luya. Ilagay mo na lahat. Tapos tayo yung isa. Ilagay mo na lahat. Sabay-sabay mo na.
Kamatis.
Tomato. Simmer mo ng kunti na, ne? Bigyan mo yung takip muna. Simmer mo ng kunti para maano. Sisimmer niya ng kunti ng mga 3 minutes para madurog yung kamatis. Then nilalagay niya yung papaya. This one is papaya because that one is hard. Did you got your cube? We forgot the cube, guys. See, look at this, how big it is. You know, we have some big crab, guys. Look at that. Yum, yum, yummy. You know, yung isa nor. So I cannot cook because I cut my thumb. You know, yesterday when I was in Pangasinan, I just chopping some vegetables and then cleaning the knife. I just cut it. Big cut on my thumb. So she's gonna help me, you know, to cook in the kitchen today. So we use one. Later on, itong cube, 4 cube. Ito ang ilalagay natin, eh. So ngayon din, you can open now and you add the papaya. Bubuksan mo muna yun. Buksan mo muna yun. Huwag mo na lang hinagay mo yan. Okay? And then you know what to do na lang. If you have to do something like that, you have to do like this. So you have to put there, okay? You know what to do right now? Put that one in there. Put the... Okay, this is papaya.
This is papaya.
Papakuluan muna natin bago natin. Isa muna natin mga kapito na ito.
Isa muna natin yung papaya. Then, napakulo tayo na.
Kunin natin yung mga sahog.
Natin sahog.
Paano yan, ha? For 2 minutes. You have to add it to Ilalagay ko na itong ano, aroma niya kamo na chiki-chiki, ano na so cute.
Lagay ko na yung pork cubes.
Isa, basta. Ako yun, nagtatakay mo muna. May cover up kamo 3 minutes, then I put the sauce. Why you scared? And then also we had the coconut milk. I used the half cup of coconut milk. You know, to mix it with this mixables, okay? I know he's so shy. So anyway, I will do it, okay? I'll continue this one. So this is the coconut milk. I need to add more water in this one. Okay, put some more water. Half. Excuse me. And that's it. Then, okay, just half of water to add on this one because, you know, it's not that much soup. Okay, you make it tender a little bit. So you have a patis, you can put some a little bit patis. Excuse me, not enough. The sauce. Masarap yun because they like soup. Yeah, just a little bit. Half teaspoon, no, a little bit more. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. I added some a little bit of Lawrence patis. So it's more tasty, okay? Alright? Okay. Ito lagay mo yun doon. And then now, we have to add it, you know, the crab on top. Not really high because you're gonna spill everything. When you put the juice, this is the one that's more crispy. Then we have to cover, and then soon, I had to add the shrimp because the shrimp is easy to cook. Right, guys? And then the malunggay. We'll wait for maybe 4 minutes to get tender the papaya. Alright, that's my hand. See, look at my thumb. Like a big cat. This looks good. Tingnan natin para i-dissolve natin ng yung gulay sa ibabaw ng ano para yung aroma ng sauce na mas-dissolve yung hindi lang ng ating crab. Wow! Yummy! Yummy! Need to make it tender a little bit of papaya because the papaya is very raw and hard. Don't always leave, just stay, you know, where you are cooking, okay? Stay here, Vilma. Just watch, okay? Because if nobody presentation there, you know, to show the thing. Not good. Ah? What did? Okay. Ihalo mo ng konti, Vilma. Make sure your hand is clean, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Huwag mong babalikan niya na dahil yan ang ano niya. Yan lang. Okay. So ngayon, kasi pinapatindag lang natin ng konti yung papaya. The papaya, that's the one you have to put it underneath so the people. Then hold on. Lagay na natin. Then we have to add it, guys. You know, the shrimp, the prawns. This is the prawn. Okay. Yan sa babaw. Ayan. Yan mamaya. Ipicturein natin. Then we added the malunggay. After this. Okay, takpan mo muna. We're almost done. 5 more minutes, guys. We are done. Alright. Yan ka lang. Bantayan mo lang. Huwag ka lang alis kasi di yun ano nila na ano. Yung ka lang. Hanggang hindi mo matapos. That's work. Okay, matikman nyo ito mamaya. Kamo rin na magsalita ka rin. So you guys, after this one, kamo masarap na. Ito ang luto ng Filipino dish. Kamo. Mamaya.
Wait a minute. Mamaya, delicious na yung luto ni Mami Benita.
Dami!
Yummy, yummy!
Okay, we'll check now if the shrimp already brown. Lipa.
Medyo slight lang.
Okay, babalik ka rin natin ng kunti ka mo. Haluin ko ng kunti bago ko ilagay ang gulay ka mo. Yung
Balik ka rin muna ng kote kasi medyo ibabaw.
hindi pa masyadong
Masyadong ano. Yan.
Ngayon lalagay mo na yung malunggay pag pindar na yung ano. I-try kung tikman yung ano, kamo papaya kung malambot na. Kamo will kiss this. Kamo.
I try this.
It is already tender. Kamo. What could you use that pork? Cover up, yun na ito.
Parang ano, yes po.
Panlinisin. Karet. Yes, karet. Yan ka lang. Then after that, 3 minutes, and then you have to add
3 minutes. ko ng konting paminta. Dahil wala kaming sili. Lalagay ko na yung laman ng kalunggay. Ito. Laman ng kalunggay.
Okay, titignan ko baka maubot-pot na yung shrimp niya. Nahihiya naman siya mag-show. Okay. Wow, look at this, guys. The crab and shrimp. Sarap, sarap. Pangasinan. Okay, this is okay, guys. Look at that. Okay, ginataang supo at saka crab with papaya. Malunggay. So now we're ready done, guys. So this is the result ng ginataan nating crab, shrimp. Okay, look at that with the papaya. See, it's done. Okay, it's done now, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching for Vilma's vlog today and Mama Benita. So make sure you guys, when we're gonna post this, you guys have to watch and share with your friends. If you guys done, give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Happy nice day.